Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. We are just getting started on our install today. As you can see, we've got our floors covered up as normal. We're doing the kitchen today. This is a large job. I think it's around 150 square feet. We'll be coming back with the vanities Friday, and I will finish the install then. I'm currently working with some new guys today. They subcontract install, so we're just going to see how each other work, and I'm going to show them how I do things, and they're going to start doing some jobs for me. This is the main guy, Esteban, and Ismail. So I will touch base with you periodically, letting you know how the job goes, and if we run into any issues, of course, we'll talk about them and how we work through them, and I will see you here in a minute. Thanks for watching. All right, so we put our laser on here. Everything looked pretty good. We're maybe an 1/8, 3/16 off on this side, and maybe a 1/16 to an 1/8 on this one. We have a cooktop cutout on this one. Of course, we have blocked it like we do all of our cooktop cutouts. We do have a seam about right here on this one. So I had my fabricator not cut this side so that I have room to put my Gorilla Grip on there. You'll see what I mean when I put my seam together. But as you guys know, I highly recommend the cooktop bags. That'll save you a world of trouble. Alright, so yeah, we're just going to go up. I'm trying to get it as close to level as I can. And we're going to layer over it. We just don't want to put too much pressure here, and possibly break it. Once we get on the cabinets, then we're pretty safe. So right now we're going to, I can't put any pressure down here. You'll have to kind of control it right there. Because okay. You need to go back that way. Because we can't let this hit this. Alright, good? Yeah. We can't go too far back. Right there. Let's go ahead and put those on. Okay, so now roll it back. Pull it back.
Oh, that's what.
Keep on, girl. Keep on, girl. Okay. So now we just need to pull it back a hair. Just a hair. Can you push those in? Can you reach over and push those in?
Push the other way?
No. Push those yellow things down. Okay, now we're going to push toward the wall. Just gently. Are we clear? Alright, we're good now? Alright. I want to go over just a little more. Alright, let's take a breath right here. And I just want to check our bones. That one just came off. If there's any movement, it's got to be reset. Okay? So now we're going to work it around, okay? I want you to pull your pin that way, okay, toward where it needs to go. Alright, hold on. Hang tight. It's fine. Just hang tight for a second. Alright, we got to be mindful of this. Make sure I don't fall. Those suction cups I gave, we'll go a little bit at a time so we don't scratch anything or break anything. Alright, keep sliding. Alright, keep going. I'm just trying to stay off this sink as much as I can. Alright, hang tight. if you'll come here, well, no, I'm trying to control everything and do everything. You're just not used to this, so I want you to keep working at how you're doing. I'm kind of sure what I want you to pull it toward you and in. Keep it on. Alright, slow down, hold on. Let me see where we're at. I just want to stay off of the sink.
Let me know when you want me to keep on.
Alright, keep on rocking and rolling. Alright, easy. Just bear with me. Keep on, keep it on. Alright, hold on. Hold, hang tight right where you're at. Alright, hang tight. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
And that's another benefit of this car. Alright, so. If just don't pick up on it, just slide. Of course, you probably already got it. And I'm gonna pull this way. Just watch us when we get here. Don't let me hit the cabinet.
Yeah, I will.
Ready? Push it back up against the wall. Push mine back up against the wall. We're looking good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go here.
We coming. Let's move a little bit.
We'll see what we got. If we have to go in,
Slowly.
we will.
Where'd you want me to go? I said we'll go over there and see what we
Easy.
I don't really care about working on this unit.
What's not anything? We're right at it, aren't we? We might have to go in through a wall just a hair, just to be safe.
Yeah.
All right, back her up a hair. Get the multi-tool. All right, you can pause.
Work it out, see.
All right, guys, we've got it finished. We ran into a few kind of leveling issues, so we had to work our way through that. And of course, you saw we had a cooktop we had to cut out and all that. So we got everything in. Had to trim the walls a little bit to get everything squared away. And as you can see, we've got our one seam here, right there. And then over here we got our seams for our farm sink. With this being one of the black stainless farm sinks, I didn't clean it out. I just didn't want to take a chance of messing it up. We swept the floor up and everything, got everything cleaned up. You can see the aftercare sheet is right there. We're actually coming back Friday to do the vanities here. All in all, I think the job turned out well. Esteban and all of the guys I worked with today, they did a good job. So all in all, everything went well. It wasn't the easiest install I've ever done, but it actually turned out pretty good. So Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it. Going to be doing some giveaways here soon, so be watching for those, and I'll see you on the next one.